Hi, my name is Bethany Primrose, and I am an artist. I work primarily in oil paints and gouache, but I'm a little bit all over the place, so you never really know what's going to pop up. Like this. If you've landed here, there's a good chance you came from my friends Scott and Donna Sava. Or if you landed here on your own, either way, welcome. Glad you're here. Scott is such an excellent resource on all things watercolor and storytelling, and Donna's the expert on things like journaling and stationery. But sometimes in their YouTube lives, they get questions about things like oil painting, brush care, canvases and easels, and things that just aren't in their wheelhouse. But they happen to be in mine. So if you have questions about things like watercolor, comics, and the like, go see Scott. If you have questions about things like journaling, stationery, or tea and scones, go see Donna. Here's where you'll find the rest. Fun-size art lessons in oil painting, studio safety, weird art history, and more. If you have any specific questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help. I have lots of fun things planned, but I want to know what you're looking for help with too. So subscribe and let's get started. And cats, lots of unruly cats.